Hey, welcome everyone. Pat Mitchell with TrickTrades here, and in this free video lesson, I'm going to show you how to use simple resistance and daily levels in order to place a trade. So let's get into it. So today, February 26th, which is a Tuesday, we had a really nice trade. One of a few. Today we used and traded Facebook as a vehicle to make money in the stock market. And today it came exactly, worked perfectly to plan that was laid out, first of all, on the hyperscan, which is the video watch list, and then secondly, the pre-market plan of attack, where I discuss levels and areas of support or resistance that we're going to wait for in order to place these trades. So Facebook, like I was saying earlier, we'll go to the charts now. So Facebook here, go to the daily. You can see this trend line. This trend line here is something that we've been watching for the breakout. It finally broke out, and this day it tested twice, okay? So today, basically this level right here, Monday's highs at 166.06. So number one, we have the 166 round number area. Number two, we have the previous day's highs. And number three, this red dashed line is the 200 SMA on the daily. So right there we have three pieces of the puzzle that we can use in order to take this trade with confidence. Now, going into it, go over to the intraday. You can see it tested twice yesterday. There was a double top. Members caught this late day play for the sell-off into the close. So they caught it there, and now we caught it again today. I didn't place this trade. Kelvo in the afternoon, he called this out and they traded it. So this morning, I'll get zoomed in here. So this morning, I called it long, number one here, and number two here. This is when I was really telling everyone to start watching it, okay? So it was holding the VWAP, getting bought up. You can tell by these bottom wicks here, she's getting bought up. And she came up, pulled back again, held again. It held the previous close, which is right in this area, this yellow dash line, and then ripped up. So I missed these longs, even though I was calling it out, because I'm on vacation. It is, I'm working a new kind of setup. So I was kind of fumbling around in the morning, but that's all right. We all kind of have those days. But some members did take that long trade, but I was just patient. I have no problems just sitting back and waiting. That's something that I think a lot of new traders struggle with, is the waiting, because we're taught and we're kind of bred into thinking just through social media and previous education that's out there. It's hurry up, get in, first candle of the day on, you know, the gap and go setup, or the washout long, or the panic pops on these one candle setups, where if you just sit back and relax, this money, and I hate to put it like this, but it's true, it's easy. The only thing that's stopping you is patience and discipline. Just sit back and wait for them to come into these levels, and that's, you know, that's really all you need to do. So this 166 area came into it. Now I want to get zoomed in because I really want to show the subtleties here. Came up, tested that once, rejected. Came up, tested it again on this candle, rejected. Came up here, it's still, and I was saying this in chat, I said just be careful because it's trending up. It's still putting in higher lows on the 1 minute, so be careful. I wanted to see it break through. It broke through. What did it do? It rejected. Came up again, popped through on this candle here. It popped up, put in a new high, gave a stiff rejection. That's it. That's all I needed on this green candle here. That was my entry. That's where I got in. And then I just rode it out. Now, because I'm in Costa Rica and the internet isn't the greatest, and I'm not sticking around in the office all day to to monitor my trades. So basically, I took this off. I took it off right in here, right around 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this thing came all the way down to test morning lows, okay? Amazing trade. Members caught it all the way to here, and they got out on this higher low, and that was the day. So I just wanted to show when you have pieces of the puzzle. So when you have pieces of the puzzle, not 1, 2, but 3, at least 3 pieces of the puzzle, okay? Meaning indicators of some kind, whether it be support, resistance, natural resistance, technical support, whatever, a whole number, a $half number. When you have that, and you have at least 2 to 3 of them, but especially 3 of them, you can take that trade with confidence and conviction, and you can use a little more size. Now, I'm not talking about stupid size, but you can use size in order to take care of a couple losses. And no, that's not a revenge trade way of looking at it. That's what you do. You need to seize the moment. You need to seize and execute these trade plans. When you see it come in and you see these stars align, you need to take it. Now, these are trades that we take each and every day at TrickTrades. There's actually nothing really crazy or interesting about this, but I want to show that simplicity pays the bills, and that's what it's about. It's about paying the bills so that one day you can attain and achieve freedom, and that's what it's about, folks. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something from it. Make sure to smash the like button, give it a share, let people know that there is some good education out there on YouTube, not led by a bunch of struggling fucking failed traders that are out there that may have some decent editing skills, and that's about it. So come to a place and actually learn how to fucking trade. Learn how to do this properly. Okay, guys, have a good one. Adios.